Hello everyone, welcome back to Coders United. Today we're going to be discussing TypeScript. So TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript which has built-in type checking. If you don't know what type checking is, that's fine. We're going to discuss it next. So JavaScript is a dynamically programmed language, which means it doesn't check our types until runtime. So with TypeScript, we can check those types at compile time instead. So to get started, we're going to create a React app, and I'm going to add the TypeScript template to my React app. From here, I can go ahead and change directories into my new app, and I can boot that up by running npm start. Next, we can head back to our code, and we can go to our source folder, where we can see a bunch of files with TSS extension, and that's for TypeScript and XML. So what we can do in here is we can clear out this template code that was provided with our generator. And we can start off by returning some empty markup here. And then to see the power of TypeScript, we're going to go ahead and create a function. And inside our function, we are going to declare a variable, and we will make it equal to a string. And then on the line right below, we're going to redeclare that variable as a number. But as you can see, we get this reference error. And it lets us know that we cannot do that because it's assigned as a constant. But without TypeScript, it would have not caught that until we ran the program. So to see this in action, we can go ahead and rename this file to a JSX extension instead. So as you can see now, it's not picking up on that type error. So from here, we can go ahead and see the runtime error by creating a button, and we'll set an on-click event for this button. And every time it is clicked, we will run our function. And then when the function is ran, the browser will pick up the issue at that time. So we go to our browser, we hit the button, and as you can see, it picks it up after we run the browser. But as you know, that's actually a bad thing. We want to catch our errors before they're ran in the browser. So if we want our TypeScript back, we simply rename our file back to TSX instead of JSX. And there we go. It is now checking our types for us. And that's it. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, go ahead and hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.